Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 11.4, in which we are going to study about volume of cube, cuboid, and cylinder. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Volume of cube is L cube or A cube, and volume of cylinder is pi r square H. And volume and capacities. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object, and capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Means internal volume is known as capacity of the object, and volume is a space covered by an object is known as volume. Okay, then our first question is, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? To find how much it can hold, in this situation you find out volume. Number of cement bags required to plaster it, means you find out surface area. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it, this means you find out volume. Question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 cm. Height is 14 cm. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm and height is 7 cm. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Yes, without doing any calculation, how can you find out which volume is greater? We use for the formula for the finding volume of cylinder, we use formula pi r square h. This means whose cylinder's radius is less, that's volume is less, and whose cylinder's radius is greater, that's volume is greater, because r is squared in the formula, means r into r. Okay, therefore in this question volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. We can guess without doing any calculation, because radius of cylinder A is 7 upon 2 and radius of cylinder B is 14 upon 2, means 7 centimeter. This means radius of cylinder B is greater than radius of cylinder A. Therefore, volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. You also check this by finding the volume of both cylinders. We also check this by calculation and also find out the cylinder with greater volume has greater surface area. This means cylinder of B has a greater surface area than surface area of cylinder A. I am going to calculate the volume of cylinder A and cylinder B. For this, first of all you write down question number 2 for cylinder A. For cylinder A, diameter is equal to 7 centimeter, then radius is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. and height is equal to 40 centimeter. Then you find out the volume of cylinder A. Like this, you also find out the volume of cylinder B by using for cylinder B, diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Then radius is equal to 14 upon 2 centimeter, means 7 centimeter. And height is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, we are going to find out the volume of both cylinder by using the formula. Volume of cylinder A is equal to pi r square h, means 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 square into 14. 7 2s, then you write down 22 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 2. You cancel here, 2 is cancelled here, 2 and 2. You cancel 22 by 2, you get 11. Means 11 into 7 into 7, 49. When you multiply this, 11 9 is 99, 11 4 is 44, and 9 53 centimeter cube. Then volume of cylinder B, volume of cylinder B is equal to, using formula pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 7 square into 7. 7 is cancelled here, you get 22 into 7, 7 is 49. You multiply 49 into 22, 49 into 22, 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8 and 1 9, 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8 and 1 9, 8 9 8 17, 1 1 9 10, 107.8 centimeter cube. Means whose volume is greater? Volume of cylinder B is greater. When you compare 539 centimeter cube and 1078 cube, 539 centimeter cube is less than 1078 centimeter cube. This means volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Then you find out surface area of cylinder A. Surface area of cylinder A. This means you find out total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. You write down 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 upon 2 in the bracket 7 upon 2 plus 14. You calculate 7 by 7 and 2 by 2. You get 22 into in the bracket 2 14s are 7 plus 28 upon 2. This means 22 into 35 upon 2. 22 is cancelled by 2, you get 11. 11 into 35, you multiply 11 5 are 55, 11 3 are 33 and 5 38, 385 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cylinder A. Then you find out surface area of cylinder B, that is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. You get 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 in the bracket 7 plus 7. You get 7 is cancelled by 11. You get 2 into 22, 44 into 14. 7 plus 7, 14. You multiply 14 for the 56, 14 for the 56 and 4, 56 and 5, 56 and 5, 61, 660 centimeter square. You compare these two, 385 and 616, you get 616 is greater than 385. This means surface area of cylinder B is greater than surface area of cylinder A. You write down 385 centimeter square is less than 660 centimeter square. This means surface area of cylinder B is greater than surface area of cylinder A. This means whose volume is greater, then that surface area is also greater. Question number 3rd. Your question is, find the height of cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. In this question, you have given base area and volume. You find out the height of the cylinder. For this purpose, you write down height of the cylinder is equal to volume upon base area. Because in the volume there is a L into B into H, and in the base area there is L into B. When you divide L into B into H by L into B, you get H. Okay, write down. First of all, you write down what is given here, area and volume. Question number 3rd, base area of a cuboid that is 180 centimeter square. Volume of a cuboid is equal to 900 centimeter cube. You find out height of the cuboid. Height of the cuboid is equal to volume upon base area. You get 900 upon 180. 0 is cancelled here. 18 5 means 5 centimeter. It is your answer. Question number 4. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter by 54 centimeter by 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? In this question, you have given the dimension of cuboid, means length, breadth and height of the cuboid, that is respectively 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And its of or side of a cube is given 6 centimeter. In this question, you find out the volume of cuboid and volume of cube. And volume of cuboid is divided by volume of cube. You get the number of cubes which can be placed in the given cuboid. Okay. Then I write down question number 4. For cuboid, length is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is equal to 54 centimeter and height is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, and you find out the volume of cuboid by using formula L to be to H. Volume of a cuboid is equal to L into V into H, that is 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. Then you find out the volume of cube whose side is 6 centimeter, means side of a cube is equal to 6 centimeter, that is LRA. Whatever you want to write here, you write A, means its side of a cube is equal to 6 centimeter. Then volume of a cube is equal to side cube, means A cube. You write down 6 cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. Then you find out the number of cubes that can be placed in a cuboid. Number of cubes that can be placed in a cuboid is equal to 6 volume of cuboid 60 into 54 into 30 upon 6 into 6 into 6. Here is calculation is easy. 6 10 ja and 6 9 ja and 6 5 ja. You get 10 into 9 into 5, that is 9 5 45 into 10 450. It is your answer, number of cube.